Hello everyone, my name is Anya and today I would like to show you how to make invisible join without a need for a needle. As it always takes me more time to actually thread the needle than it takes me to make that invisible join and weave in the end, I would like to share this technique with you. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and thank you for watching. To work an invisible join, we will need to finish our round, and after finishing last stitch, in my case it was double crochet, I will need to cut my yarn off, leaving quite a long tail, and I will pull my loop, so pull the yarn completely through, and we will now start working V-shape. And I have started with chain 2, which counted as first double crochet, and I will not do anything with this chain 2. If you started, for example, with first single crochet, double crochet, you will leave the first stitch alone and you will be working into the second stitch. In my case, it is first double crochet, and I will insert the hook from the back of this stitch through both loops. So insert your hook through both loops of the second stitch. And now we will need to pull this yarn which we cut through. And this is going to be our half of our V-shape. Now we will need to finish our V-shape. So the last stitch which we worked, and again in my case is double crochet, from the back of this stitch, we will insert the hook only through the back loop. And again, from the bottom to the top of this stitch. And we will pull our yarn through. And we have created our V-shape. And all we will need to do now is to weave in the ends. So insert the hook somewhere at the back and pull this yarn through. And do it as many times as you need just to secure this yarn, and all the time you need to make sure that those V-shapes are same or very similar size, so you do not end up with one V-shape which is larger or smaller. So just make sure that you make your V-shapes the same size.